Hi everyone, this is Alom from Network Lab. Today we are solving an important task of RHCSA exam, and this task is a rootless container with volume mapping and system service. So we need to create a rootless container. A container name given as a washer, and container use existing image. This is the existing image monitor, name monitor, mapping to this two volume data slash data input and slash data output. Create system service. This service name also given here. This is the service name. Service must start automatically after reboot, and user use for this task is a student. And we will use Podman because Red Hat use Podman for container. So first switch to user student, and it's very important to create this container to under a user because this must be a rootless container. So SSA is to dent localhost given password here, and it's fine. Now first create a required directory, mkdir directory data input, hit enter, and data output, hit enter. Okay, and make sure user has permission. So sudo un permission user is student and group also student, and data input and data output. Okay, given password of sudo. Now this task second task are also complete. Now create the container, and this container name is washer. So admin run d name here is the container name washer, and use the volume mapping volume data input and data output, giving the Linux z another volume data output to data input. So here is the Linux signal also, and use this image, existing image. So hit enter, and this is the container image, and verify this image. Use Podman, not container image. Podman ps -a. Here is the image id, actually id, and image existing. This is the container image, and it is name of container actually washer. So container are created. Now move to step number 4, generated system service file. So command like, now make a directory that container systemd hyphen user hyphen, not hyphen, slash user config slash systemd slash user, hit enter, and cd to this directory, copy and paste ls. It's okay. pwd, yes, I'm in this directory. Now create systemd file. admin generate systemd hyphen name, the image container name, actually this is the container name, hyphen name, new, and this is hyphen files, hit enter, and it's created. Now ls, this is the systemd file, this is the systemd service file, this is the systemd service file, and I create this one, so it's okay absolutely. Now create this rootless. So first stop image, stop admin, stop washer, need some time. Now remove washer, admin, remove washer, hit enter, and verify admin yes hyphen a. Here is the no container id or container image, so we will remove this previous created container. Now I use systemd, systemctl user daemon reload. Okay, now systemctl enable container service, yes this is enable, and now start, and now try to, here is the container washer, and it's enable and started from systemd. So another important task is needed to complete it, otherwise it's not working after reboot. So this is enable lingering, and if you want a service to start after reboot even when user is not logging, so command like login ctl enable linger for student. Okay, now I'm reboot this service, reboot the system, actually reboot, reboot, okay, it's rebooting. Now back after rebooting and try to verify system ctl user status container service, yes it's running and enable. So that's it, and it's a very important question for RHC exam. Practice at least 4 and 5 times before the exam. Thank you for watching Network Live.